Hello guys, welcome on my channel. Today we are going to see how to create a ASP.NET Core MVC web application in Visual Studio. So before we going to start, you have to download Visual Studio for your computer system and install it on your local system. So for downloading Visual Studio, just go and search here download Visual Studio and just hit the enter button. You can get the first link, which is Microsoft's official site. On this page you can see here Visual Studio 2019 is the latest version. In that version you can get three types of versions, which is community, professional and enterprise. If you are a student and you have to learn Visual Studio, so you can go with this community version. This is free and free for students, open source and individuals. If you are professional, so you can go with this version, and if you want to enterprise version, so you can go with this enterprise version. So after downloading Visual Studio and installing in your system, you have to one more package, which is SDK. SDK means Software Development Kit. So .NET Core Software Development Kit's latest version, which is .NET Core 3.1. .NET Core is a cross-platform version of .NET for building websites, services, and console apps. In .NET Core SDK, you can download only runtime. If you want to run any applications on your system, you can download this runtime, and you have to building apps, so you can download the .NET Core SDK also. So I am already written some articles to how to create a ASP.NET Core web application on medium.com. You can go and read my articles, so you can learn better to how to create a ASP.NET Core web application easily. So go and read my articles on Medium. All three links give you in the description box, so you can go and start your development. So I am already downloaded Visual Studio and installed on my local system. So here is my Visual Studio. I am just opening this, and you can see here this type of command window on means startup page on your Visual Studios. So first of all, click on here file and just click on here new button and click on project. So you can see here new project window will be open. In that window you can see here Visual C# option. So click on here, and we are going to create .NET Core application, so that's why I am clicking here .NET Core. And .NET Core, you can see here last option, which is ASP.NET Core web application. So we are creating ASP.NET Core web application, that's why I am clicking here. If you want to create a console app in .NET Core, so also you can go with this. So I am clicking here, and here name, provide here your project name, which is trial app, and just browse here and set the location where your project will be stored. I am just selecting here, and you can see your solution name. So I am click on OK button. So we are creating model view controller web application. That's why I am clicking on this option. If you want to create an Angular application, or also only web application, or also creating an API, so you can go with these options. So I am creating MVC core application, that's why I am clicking here. You can see here my SDK was 2.2.1110. So you can get the latest one SDK and install in your system. So I am just click on here OK button. So you can see here my project will be started creating. So you can see here right side my project structure will be successfully created. You can see here controllers, models and views folders are created in folder structure. This is all my MVC structure will be automatically created using Visual Studio. Run this application. So I am just going to click on here, which is IIS Express. This is my server. I am click here. You can see here build started. My project solution was building. So you can see our project was successfully loaded onto browser. So this is my home page and this is my privacy page. This is default page will be created on Visual Studio. So that's all guys, how to create a ASP.NET Core web application. So thank you guys for watching this video. If you not yet subscribed to my channel, just hit the subscribe button and also press the bell icon and like my video, and thank you guys.